What's up guys, welcome to a 4x4 Jumpman, and today we'll be changing the oil of the Mazda 3 2014. We'll be using 5W30 engine oil and we'll be using about 4.5 litres of it.
So what we need to do is remove the cover here, and that's where the oil filter will be.
It's time to open the wine. We'll be using this Riker oil filter here. Now we have to change the air filter. So I'm clipping the buttons here. We'll be replacing the air filter with this.
Dirty business.
After pouring the oil in the engine, make sure you start the car. Pour about 4.2 to 4.5 liters of oil, and then after starting the car, turn it off and check the dipstick. So make sure the dipstick is on the right level of oil. Once you're done, you can close the cap, put the dipstick back in, and you're ready to go. And that's how you do your car service. Also make sure you check your coolant. If your coolant is on the low level, you can always top up your coolant or change your coolant. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.